everybody, this is Tarina. I am very excited to share this with you. At the end of March, I went to a Seasonal Expressions 2 launch for Close to My Heart for the new SE2 catalog, and I will be showing you that at the end of this or maybe in the next video. Depends on how long this one is. I want to try to keep it under a half hour each. When you go as a consultant, because it's consultants only, which is a great reason to sign up, you get a kit. You get a kit that has a project in it, or several projects in it, and a stamp set. The kits vary per launch and most likely per expressions catalog. So I just wanted to go ahead and show you this along with our special for signing up as a catalog or as a consultant. So in the next video I will be doing a catalog flip through for the SE2. So let's go ahead and get started on this. I want to go ahead and keep it under 30 minutes. I want to give it my best shot. So you get, now these products are new from the new catalog, so these are a couple sneak peeks as to what's in there. White ribbon, and this is the soft ribbon. It's so soft and easy to tie and bows and stuff like that. Yeah, this doesn't generally come on here. This is my name tag, and of course as a scrapbooker I just want to keep it. One of these days I'll figure out what I'm gonna do with it. I might do a nice layout with it and a couple of pics. So this is, yeah, I did use this one, but this is, let's see, what is this one? I got it in there upside down. This one is Central Park Scrapbooking stamp set, and I don't know if it's easier to see it through all that. Summer vibes. There are so many beautiful reasons to be happy. Sunshine. Now when you stamp these on this is like your shadow, and so this is your main color. And one of the things they've been teaching, or they taught us, was to do an easy way to do an ombre effect. I might have to try that in a tip video. I didn't actually get a chance to try it, but and of course I changed up some of my cards. I was able to do some of the card kits, but I'll show you what they were supposed to look like and what I ended up doing, because I get this like inspiration and I just go with it. There's no point in fighting it. So anyways, this is one of the new stamp sets in the SE2 catalog for 2018. And then this one here is one that I won in a drawing, which is awesome, while I was there. This one's called Real Heroes. And I'm excited to I'm very excited to use this one. I'm not sure if I haven't decided yet whether I want to use it or if I want to do a giveaway. What do you guys think? I'm not sure. But I was excited to be able to win that. And then this is how the card kits come. These are just for this kit, only for the launch. So they all come pre-cut. You can trim them when you need to trim them, but they come with your card base and your envelope and all of the stuff that you need. And when you go there, you just bring it. They send you a list of all the things that you need to take, as far as like ink pads and scissors and adhesives and things like that. And then you get these so that you can build your cards, your project. Isn't that paper cute? Okay, so this is, let's see, I'm going to pull these out and I'm going to show you these. These are what the cards were supposed to look like. So this kit here was made to create this card. And then I had a kit to create this card. Isn't that cute? See the ombre right there? And I made this one instead. Let me see if I can pull it out of the... It's similar, just a little bit different. My ombre didn't work quite as well as I'd hoped. So this is the original there. And then that one's mine. And I kind of did a little twist literally on the ribbon instead of doing a tie. I don't know why, I just felt like it needed a twist. I don't know. So that's one of the ways that you can change things up. So that's what I did. And then this one here, I did kind of the same, a little bit different. I decided to watercolor mine and to change up the direction of some of the stuff. So this was the original for that one. Here you can see it's got the ribbon across this way, and the pink is going up and down and or sideways there, and I just did mine just a little bit different. And they're both gorgeous, and I will probably make those ones as well, just to show at my meet and greets and whatnot, so that I can, you know, show people how you can make them differently, but still pretty. So I just took a little bit of the blue, and I watercolored it inside of these words, because these words come see-through. And then I did the little water droplets, or whatever those are, splashes. So that was my second card. And it came with 3 card kits, and then it comes with the instructions. And so here's the materials needed. It's got all the things you need. It's got the 12 by 12 memories layout, and then your instructions for your cards. Now this is the layout that came in the kit that is in here, and I'm really excited because it's actually using the documented paper or collection, and I'm really excited about that one. I love the colors and the rich, it's very autumn, but I love the colors and the patterns. I love the patterns too. So I'm gonna go ahead and show you some of the stuff that comes in this. So you get a pack of compliments, or I got a pack of compliments. Like I said, these kits are different per launch. So next launch, if I get to go to one, then it may be different than this. So each catalog comes with different things anyways. So this is our compliments, and these are the documented compliments. Aren't they cute? I am loving that door there and the distressed look. It's so pretty. And so these are them in real life. So this is just kind of a overview that kind of shows you what all's in here. And these are the actual sizes. So these are bows here. I don't know if you can see that. Yep, those are bows. And then beautiful. That's a good, these are 6-inch pieces here. Yep, 6-inch by 6-inch. So these are sticker papers as well. And then we've got chipboard pieces. Look at the glasses. I love the little camera too. And the hearts. And then these ones have a little bit of shiny white on them, which is awesome. And these ones you can pop out as well. So those are the compliments. And then these are the documented titles. So this is, in each collection, there's a kind of a coordinated embellishment that goes with it. But these you could use with anything. I'm going to pull them, well, I don't know if I'll need to pull them out. Love. These are, I love that the words, not just pieces, which I haven't really got to do a whole lot of creating, but look how thick those are. Those are nice and thick. But they're not, I mean, they're sturdy, which is awesome because you don't want them to break. Love, today, smile, and story. I was really excited that these were in here. Very excited. And then we've got the documented dots, and these all coordinate with the documented collection. Pull these out real quick. So we've got the peacock color. It really looks blue in the camera, but it's actually this color here. Like, they're pretty darn similar, but they are gorgeous. And then we've got the bashful, which is very light pink. And then we've got eggplant, one of my favorite colors. In fact, I think these three. I have a lot of favorite colors, so I can't really say that. I guess it is one of my favorite colors because I think I have a lot of them. So this is the papers that came in, or that come in the kit. And I almost forgot, you do get page protectors as well. So you get two 12 by 12 page protectors, or I got. I keep saying you get, but you won't necessarily get that next time. I don't know. We'll see. So this is this kit. All of those goodies came for this kit. As you can see, they have all of the different pieces on here. So these are the papers that comes in this kit to create this for the launch. So you get this. I love this. I love this edge here. And the doors. I love the doors, love the doors. And then the flowers, and I think I have this upside down. Look at that, I do. Think happy, be happy. And here are some, the vertical, one side's vertical, one side's horizontal. So there's the strip, flip it over. So we've got happy. This makes me happy, and then when you flip it over, it's gone on the horizontal. So I think that's awesome. And then they have the photo placeholders for your photos, and all the different pieces that are cut, and all the right colors and strips and pieces and things that you need in the right sizes, so that it's quick and easy to put together. Most of the cutting is all done for you, unless you're like me, in which case I always change things up. I don't know if I would with this layout though, because I really like the layout. So this is, again, is the layout. And like I said, I may just go ahead and do a video on putting this layout together. I think that would be fun, and I think I would enjoy doing that. So I'm going to go ahead and tell you guys about the Fab 4 sign-up special this month in April. You get, if you sign up, it's only $75 to sign up, plus shipping and handling and taxes, if you have taxes in your state. But you get, if you sign up in April, you get all 4 of these stamp sets free. And then you also get $50 in Close to My Heart cash that you can spend on your Close to My Heart website to get any of the stuff that you would like to get to help you create. Your website is free. You don't have to pay for it, and you get 22% off base commission off on product purchases and sales. So when you purchase something, you can take the 22% off automatically, and it makes it less than what it would be for other people. And then when other people purchase from your website, then or you, then you get 22% of what they spend so that you can help put that back into your business and create a well-running business. So this is my first quarter that I've been able to make, like I've actually tried to be a consultant, and I, thankfully to all my peoples that have purchased from me, I'm finally able to not have to pay for the rest of the quarter to stay a consultant. So at first it was just kind of a hobby thing, which you can do if you just want to be able to get your goodies. You will also get all 4 of these. You don't have to choose between one of them. You get all 4. And oh my goodness, I love them. I just love them. I would totally sign up if I wasn't a consultant. So coming up next is going to be the Seasonal Expressions 2 catalog, and this one's going to be go live on the 1st. As a consultant, one of the things that you get to do is you get to order from the new catalog a month earlier than customers. So that is exciting as well. So I will be doing a catalog flip through on this, and I am very excited. And these are the stamp of the months for the next 4 months, and you'll be able to find them in the back of the catalog. So I am very excited. If you would like to know more or have any questions, feel free to email me, hellotarina or hello_tarina@yahoo.com. I'll leave that information down below. You can also go on to my Close to My Heart website, hellotarina.closetomyheart.com, and I'll leave that down below as well. I am extremely excited, and I would really love to be able to build my build a team. I haven't a team yet, but I feel that I have enough support in my uplines that I could help you out if you had any questions, and get you what you need as far as information and support. So if you're interested, you can leave me a comment, message me. I have a crafty Facebook page. It's Hello Tarina as well, and you can comment or message me on there. I have an offer on there that tells all about this. You can click on that as well, and it will take you directly to the sign up page, which will give you all of the information to most of the questions that people ask. If you'd like to just know it from me, feel free to ask. I'm here. And so that would be it. I'm going to go ahead and get to my walkthrough on my next video. So I will talk to you guys later. Bye.